Welcome to the EVSC, the Network Member Directory. I'm your host, Jared Glime, and I'll be guiding your tour of this new website and what it has to offer. This website contains the names of experts from the EVSC who have volunteered to share their knowledge and resources with you to benefit your classroom. To start with, we're going to look at this top section right here where it says click for the network areas of expertise. This is the expertise panel, and what it contains when I click it is keyword search terms that you can use in the search box located on the page. But let's go ahead and talk about this first. First of all, the curriculum areas we have right now 73 curriculum areas, and we also have 108 skill areas. Now the curriculum areas all deal with K through 12, and the skill areas, as you can see, you got Adobe, Microsoft, Web 2.0, Apple, and some other things here that are mixed in. So these are all eligible search terms on the page. Besides, I'm going to go ahead and click and close this. Besides, you can also, in the keyword search box here, search by grade levels, by name. You can search by phone number if you actually knew the phone number, the school, the subjects. And these little icons right over here are the skill flares. And the skill flares also have the keyword search terms tied to them. And as you notice, as I hovered my mouse over top of this particular keyword flare, or the skill flare, up popped a description. So if I move over to the next one, there's another description of what that icon represents. So if you're not really sure what something is, just hover your mouse. Now, when I was talking about keyword search and it being live, as you type, things, you notice that the table changed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and search for Promethean. Okay, so by typing in Promethean, I don't have to hit enter. You notice over here on the right hand side it says viewing members 1 through 20 of 40. Okay, well that's great. So I know I have 40 people. I can also customize my view of these 40 people, and I can do it here. I can make my mouse shorter. If I'm on a netbook, I might change it to 5. If I want to see all 40 of those members, I would use 50, and then I could see on the entire page all 40 members that have Promethean. Now you might be thinking, well, how do I know if they're Promethean or not? Well, if I hover my mouse over the icon, there's the Promethean icon, and you'll notice that every one of these people have Promethean as their skills flare. To quickly reset your page, you can either refresh your browser, or you can come over here to the right hand side and click the reset button, and it then resets the page back to the way it was. Now I notice that your live keyword search box still has the last thing you searched in it, so if you can click in there and you can hit the enter key, it'll then bring up what you were trying to search for before. Another feature of the web page is a profile page that gives you more information about the person. So if you click a person's name, the page will darken and up will come a profile screen. On the profile screen will be a picture of the member, their name, and all the information you see from the table, and sometimes even down below there's more ways of contacting that member, like a web page or a Skype address or Facebook, Twitter, some of those things. On the right hand side we have more about their skill areas and curriculum areas, and a lot of times the main web page is limited on the space, so you might see more curriculum areas here than on the main page, and you might see more skill areas here as well. So to get the most information, you definitely need to click their name, so that way you can find out more about that person. We are adding new information all the time to this webpage, so be sure to check back often and see what's new. New areas of expertise will be noted in the expertise panel, so you'll know right away what's new in the panel. As far as new members are concerned, you'll be able to note that by the number of our members increasing here on the right hand side. Thank you for visiting our webpage.